चालू कर।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu Peswani and I am the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from Batch First and I am studying in BCom first year. And today I want to tell you about education. Which type of education should be given to the students by the teacher. And at first I want to tell you about education. There are a lot of types of education. I think a teacher should be developed to the student physically and mentally. If uh, uh, teachers iterate all the students, I think it is not good for us, because if we iterate all the chapters and things, results will not be given good. If we are uh, practically practically think that its answer is, so we can improve ourselves and we can solve any problem by the help of this thing. If I talk about management, management facilities uh, will be good, because management is depends on us. If we learn keep keeply, so we can improve ourselves. If I talk about facilities, so all the types of facilities are will available in the schools, because facility is most important for us. And a student developed physically and mentally. And um, uh, a game a game period should be given to the students. And I think uh, gk is most important for us. Teachers should be improve our gk by the help of notes and test etc.
शुड के साथ बी लगाने से पहले थोड़ा चेक किया करो बेटा, जरूरत है तभी लगाना चाहिए। ओके
Okay, sir.
बोलो आगे। हाँ
If I talk about fees, uh, fees uh, fees is minimum, because
शुड
some
भी आना चाहिए,
students
शुड भी मिनिमम।
should be minimum, because some students are poor and some are rich, so fees must be important topic. And theoretical education must given to the students, but practical education is also given to the students.
शुड बी गिवन,
Yes,
मस्ट बी गिवन। वर्ब फॉर्म में बहुत ध्यान रखना है आपको।
yes,
हाँ
that's it, sir.
ओके
One,
यस
not hello, sir.
ओके यूट्यूब पे जाएगा यार। ठीक है बोल।
Hello everyone. I am Payal. I am today I am telling about importance of education. Education is an important tool which is very useful in everybody's life.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश।
Education is what differences us from other living beings on earth. It makes man the smartest culture on earth. It empowers humans and gets them ready to face challenges of life. Educational awareness needs to be spread throughout the country to make educations accessible, but this remains incomplete without first analyzing the importance of the education. सर विश्लेषण को एनालाइजिंग ही बोलते हैं ना? ओके सर. Only when the pupil realize with what significance it holds, can they consider it an necessity for a good life. We will see the importance of education and how it is a doorway to success. Education is the most significant tool in eliminating poverty and unemployment. And addition, this education also benefits an individual in various ways. It helps a person take a better and informed decisions with the use of their knowledge. This increases the success rate of a person in life. All teachers should be given good reconciliations education.
रिकॉन्सिलेशन मतलब?
सर अच्छी और सुलभ. एक्सेसिबल होता है क्या सर सुलभ? ओके सर. एंड not all money and all parents is not all money in paid, so we should pay less. That's it, sir.
Okay.
Everyone, my name is Karina Nanwani. Today I am telling about the what kind of education we want to prefer.
Very good.
My liking of education is the one where in the environment is all about the education. I believe that the education system must be teachers which do fulfill the quest or search of understanding and not the syllabus. Not be any syllabus insist must be task to complete. Every type of education system that are prevalent currently, it is all about choosing what is best for you. Education plays a very important role in our lives, because your future depends on what kind of education you have received. It is all about maintaining a balance. You should only focus on circular activities like dancing, singing, skating, sports competition, etc. There are schools and colleges that provide such facilities and organization such kind of events, but there are few students who are too shy, ashamed to open their skills. If they are that kind of student, if this type of kids are not encouraged, they would stay like that for the rest of life. Education system should always make sure that people are not left out at any point of life. A student should always be given lesson on important topics that could help them deal with the outside world, including the basic of important subjects like programming, investing, maintaining, etc. should be done so that the student become a bit aware about them and make decisions accordingly.
Good.
And the grades cannot make any sense, does not make you smarter. There is much more than the meets the eyes when it comes to real knowledge, and real learning is getting into subject and understanding the basic of how it works. That's all.
Very good. Chalo bro.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ispail Gupta, and I am the student of interactive classes from batch B1. And today I am going to tell you that what type of education we want. I want a good type of education. There should be the class of computer. There should be the period of computer class, because computer education is very important in every field. And in future we will do everything with the help of computer. School should arrange the game period by which students can be fit physically and mentally, and their interest will come regarding the education. In the prayer, the student can in the prayer student should get a chance to speak on any topic by which their hesitation will go. There should be the program of some quizzes by which they can gain some general knowledge, and their learning capacity will be increased. There should be the smart class by which students can do smart work in every field, and teachers should sometimes tell something students outside of education, and our education should that's it, sir.
Okay.
Hello friends, myself Priyanka Sharma, and myself Priyanka Sharma. Today I want to tell you about that what is education, and why is it important, and what are its types. Education is compulsory for all of us. Education makes us aware to both external and internal activities. Without education, life is not possible. Education also means helping people to learn how to do think, and encouraging them to think about what they learn. Education is the most efficient and most effective way to teaching. It's nothing but learning the basic, advanced, and gaining knowledge skills. In school and college, everything should be done which leads us in the field of education. Students should be encouraged for education. The family which is poor and is not able to provide education to their children, they should be provided education facilities by the government.
Facilities,
facilities by the government. Teachers should also keep the fees low so that the child can get education well. Because when the child studies only, then India will grow. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड बहुत अच्छा.
सर ये सेंटेंस सही था क्या कि तब बच्चा पढ़ेगा तभी तो पढ़ेगा?
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Naravar and I am the student of Ramban online interactive classes. Today I am here to speak about education system. How should education system? And first of all, education system is very important for all, because without education we can't we cannot do anything in life. So education system is very important for making everything in life. And first of all, I want to tell about school management. We all students starting in schools, and we watch that many schools are many schools only focused on fees, and many schools can't नहीं देती, and many schools don't notice on students career and life. And nowadays we are watching that education system is very bad day by day, because because when we watch in a school, that we know that there are many students in school, and there are many intelligent and many more not intelligent student in the same school. But teacher only give attention on intelligent school because they want to good marks by this student, and they only want popular these schools name. So they do not attend. सर ध्यान देने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Heed.
So
they don't focus.
So they don't focus on weak students. So weak students weakness day by day increase, and these weakness create problem. Those teachers who notice much on all student, and when the teacher found these student weakness at 10 and 11 students, then he become angry, because education system is like a business. So I want to tell only that the schools should. सर क्या बोला था आपने? ध्यान देने को right focus. So all schools should focus on all students, and there should many faculties in school and college, like sports facilities like games, sports, and everything. Those students can improve themselves, because not only study but also by the game student can get success in life. And games are very important in student life, because games give us energy, and when we play game, our mind and body feel healthy and fresh.
Very good.
And and in the schools as in and in the schools a separate game also should be held for girls for this for her for their safety when we because a girl because a girl every time have not everything many time he because many time he she have to go and go anywhere with alone so when we go alone then then can save you, herself. That's it, Guruji.
कैमरा बंद करके बोल
हाँ बोल.
थैंक यू सर तो स्टार्ट कर दूं
हाँ.
Yes. Hello everyone, my name is Priya Meena and today I am telling about what should be education there in our country.
हाँ. आराम से बोलो बेटा,
Education
कोई बात नहीं, बहुत बढ़िया बोलो, आराम से बोलो. हाँ.
Education is an important tool which is very useful in everybody's life. Education gives us knowledge of a world around us.
हाँ.
Education helps to learn new things, find good jobs, and lead a acceptable life in our society. It improves humans and gets them. It's sorry, sir. It improves humans and gets them to ready to face challenges and of life. And
फोकस करो टॉपिक पे. टॉपिक क्या है अपना? एजुकेशन क्या है, ये टॉपिक नहीं है अपना. कई लोगों ने गलती की है. एजुकेशन क्या है उस पे अपने को बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन अपना टॉपिक क्या है
yes,
उस पे फोकस करो आप. टॉपिक क्या है अपना, कि आप क्या सोचते हो, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ एजुकेशन यू थिंक यू प्रेफर, वो मेरा मैंने समझाया, तो वो है अपना टॉपिक. एजुकेशन इज नॉट आवर टॉपिक.
yes, sir.
हाँ. कई लोगों ने गलती की है. हाँ.
I think education should be free. Education is very useful in everybody's life.
हम्म.
It is education that makes a man the smartest creature on the earth. It improves humans and get them ready to face challenges of life. Education is the most significant tool in सर उसको क्या बोलते हैं एडी
आपको पता होगा ना, वर्ड तो आपका है ना.
यस
लिखा हुआ थोड़ी है कहीं.
नहीं सर
तो
सर मैं दूसरा सेंटेंस बना रही हूँ ठीक है अ पुअर एंड अनएक्सेप्टेड पर्सन कांट लिव अ गुड एंड हेल्दी लाइफ विदाउट एजुकेशन but if he would be educated he can live happy and a healthy life. Education helps in making a person independent. Everyone deserves to be educated. An educated citizen is a more productive citizen, therefore able to pay more taxes. I think in the schools there should be a GK period.
अब आ रहे हो आप अपने टॉपिक पे.
Yes sir.
हाँ.
In the schools there should be many garden and playgrounds.
हाँ.
Because students सर पढ़ पढ़ के क्या होगा?
पढ़ पढ़ के क्या?
पढ़ पढ़ कर।
बाय स्टडिंग, पढ़ करके।
बाय स्टडिंग दे
बेटे अभी
विल।
तो एकदम से लेवल बदल गया आपका। अभी स्टार्टिंग में तो बहुत हायर लेवल का चल रहा था तुम्हारा,
यस।
अभी एकदम से इतना लेवल कैसे डाउन हो गया? बोलो, आप बोलो। बहुत हायर
बाय
लेवल
स्टडी
था स्टार्टिंग में आपका। हाँ बोलो।
by studying they they are very tired because they they read always, so there should be gardens and playgrounds in their schools, and there should be many libraries in the schools because it is very useful for the students
हम्म,
to make mm, to make to make a higher level.
हम्म,
Or if education would be free, more children would be in school.
हम्म,
It have many gates to send their child to school. Every child must be given a chance, cause because some children have the talent but their parents don't have the money.
हम्म।
In order to improve a country, all the people
इन ऑर्डर टू
all the
मतलब?
people sir, order to मतलब होनी चाहिए। in or
ओके, आगे बोलो आप।
in order to improve a country, all the people of that country must be educated.
हम्म,
If education would be free, then the country will be developed country. Or due to free education, students will have more time to faces on studying rather than the fee. That's why I think education should be free. Thank you.
बोलो, स्टार्ट करो।
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I am Prerna Jarwal. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today my topic is about what is education and what is education. Uh, Education is main important part in our life because we can make big professor in our life.
हम्म,
uh, in a, in our school
बोल बेटा बोल।
in our school education is given to student. uh, uh, Education is different types. Mm, Education is different types. Uh,
इज ऑफ
Education
डिफरेंट
is such
टाइप्स। एजुकेशन इज
ed-
ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स। हाँ, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बोल। हाँ हाँ।
education is such that education is such that it could not be claim, and it could not be claim. And if we talk about the games period,
हाँ,
so if we talk about games period, uh, uh, games period uh, uh, games period are given in our school because games um, games make uh, games make physically
हाँ हाँ, शाबाश। स्ट्रॉन्ग।
games games make strong to student.
हाँ,
And
नहीं पहले स्टूडेंट लाओ आप।
uh,
गेम्स मेक स्टूडेंट्स स्ट्रॉन्ग।
okay sir,
हाँ
games make student strong.
हाँ, ऑब्जेक्ट पहले लाओ। हाँ ओके, आगे बोलो।
And uh, and fees is the main important topic of our school. And because some students are very rich and some are very poor. So fees is minimum in our school.
नहीं शुड बी मिनिमम. इज क्यों होती नहीं है, होनी चाहिए. हाँ,
फी शुड बी मिनिमम इन आवर स्कूल.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. बस ऐसे बोलते रहो, शाबाश. हाँ,
and discipline is also main important part of student.
शाबाश.
Because
ऑफ एजुकेशन. हाँ हाँ हाँ, बोलो शाबाश.
discipline discipline
आराम, कंसंट्रेशन कर बेटा, फोकस कर बेटा, फोकस कर. माइंड का खेल है. हाँ,
वो सर अनुशासित स्टूडेंट को क्या बोलेंगे?
डिसिप्लिन्ड स्टूडेंट्स.
बिकॉज डिसिप्लिन्ड स्टूडेंट is praised in our school. And praised in our school. In our school student respect the teacher, and our teacher should teacher should respect student. And
टीचर शुड, क्या बोला बेटा?
teacher should also respect the student.
नहीं, also care the students. बेटे छोटे जो होते हैं ना, वो बड़ों को रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं ना. बड़ों को भी करना चाहिए, लेकिन वो अलग तरीका होता है बेटा, है ना. टीचर शुड आल्सो लव देयर स्टूडेंट्स.
टीचर शुड आल्सो लव देयर स्टूडेंट.
शुड अंडरस्टैंड द स्टूडेंट्स. आप कर सकते हो कि टीचर्स भी जो है ना बच्चों को समझना चाहिए. ऐसे बोल. अच्छा बोल रही बेटा, बोलती रहे. शाबाश. कंसंट्रेशन रख. हाँ.
Teacher should not discrimination between students.
Should not make discrimination.
Should not make discrimination between students.
Among students.
Because by which inside the student. सर इसका क्या होगा कि वो जो भेदभाव की जो भावना है स्टूडेंट के अंदर फिर उत्पन्न हो जाती है.
वो भेदभाव की भावना
स्टूडेंट के अंदर उत्पन्न हो जाती है.
बिकॉज इट मेक्स या इट क्रिएट्स द स्पिरिट ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन अमंग द स्टूडेंट्स.
Because it creates discrimination.
It creates the spirit. हाँ ठीक है. Discrimination among students. ठीक है बेटा. हाँ बोल.
Among students. That's also.
Okay. Yes, start करो.
Hello friends, my name is Dilfus Meena. Today I am telling about what type of education. Education is very important for us. There are many types of education. A teacher develops children mentally and physically. Our educational system is very bad condition. In very bad condition. So that a teacher can't give more knowledge to the children. But we should not have such an educational system. Rather, we should have such an educational system that children should be sound things beside books. In it, the educational system cannot be changed by any one people. Rather, there should be participation of the whole system so that our education system can be changed. That's all.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Gati and I am the student of Ramban English online interactive classes. And as we all know that today's our topic is about education, that which type of education should be given to the students and which type of education I want. First of all, we should know, I think that first of all we should know about the magnificence of education because without knowing the magnificence of education, we can't make the good education policy which we want and which is useful for us. Education is a most important thing of our life, and leads our life, and it leads our future. And education give right or wrong path, can give right or wrong path of our life. So I think that practical education should be given to the students rather than theoretical and calm education. In present time, I in schools teachers have teachers have focus to to completing the course. I think in my opinion there is no fault of teachers in this, because they have also a pressure on of management to complete the course. So I think that education policy should be improve, and there is no doubt that it is improving day by day by some bills, but in reality there is no change of education policy. And I think that a practical knowledge of education should be given, all type which increase all types of knowledge of students by physically and mentally. A GK session should be organized to the students, and all types of competitions should be organized by school management for the students, like sports competition, or sports competition, dance competition, singing competition, essay competition, and quiz competition, like it, and project competitions. And I think that smart education should be given, and the government should less the course, and which course should be given is useful for, is should be useful for the students. And the teaching is and the students should be teach smartly, like students should be taught should students should be taught geography by smart board, by seeing maps, and by practically. And the education and which education should be given is useful for their further life in competition. But in present time, which education should be given have
the education, which matlab
the education should be given have no link of for further life and competitions. I think that the education should be given which increase the thinking power of students, and which make students a good person. That's it.
Okay. Yes, start karo.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sonam Meena. Today my topic is importance of education. We not only learn something new through education, but it also transfer the knowledge of previous generation to the new generation. In this way, we can say that education is very important for the progress of an individual as well as the whole society. Education can
whole.
Yes, sir, whole.
ठीक करो बेटा pronunciation. Whole. बोलो आगे बोलो.
Whole. Education changes people's thinking by bringing positivity thoughts and negative thoughts. In our childhood, our parents try to take our brain towards education. They make every effort to provide us a good education by enrolling us in a good school. Education makes us more civilized and better human beings. It helps us in achieving a better position and job in the society. The importance of education has increased a lot in today's time. Therefore, there is a need to give him a new direction. Education should be such that a person can get acquainted with the surroundings. Education is very necessary for the bright future of all of us. It helps the overall development of a person because we can acquire knowledge, skills, and many other things through education. The attitude and personality of a person depends highly on his education. Education also play an important role in making a person successful in life. Education becomes more important for people in rural areas because for the development of the whole of India, it is necessary that everyone from city to village in India should be educated. Therefore, to promote has such appropriate education. Many
एप्रोप्रिएट का मतलब क्या हुआ है यहाँ पे बेटा? हेलो
सर, मतलब वो यस सर.
एप्रोप्रिएट क्या हुआ मतलब?
सर मतलब वो शिक्षा को
नहीं, एप्रोप्रिएट का मतलब क्या हुआ यहाँ पे जो अपन ने यूज किया है? ओके, आगे चलो, बोलो, आगे बोलो.
सर.
ओके, आगे बोलो बेटा.
Many advertisements are shown in TV and newspaper to show the importance and benefits of education to people in rural areas. Education is very important for the bright future of all of us. People are more likely to get jobs when educated. It also improves the way people speak and communicate. Educated people know the importance of discipline and time management, and thus have greater opportunities to become successful individuals in their lives. Education provides the ability to overcome any family, social, and even national
ओवरकम मतलब बेटा?
and international problems.
ओवरकम मतलब?
क्या सर?
ओवरकम, आपने ओवरकम वर्ड यूज किया ना अभी?
सर इट्स जस्ट वन सेंटेंस में.
अभी ओवरकम यूज किया ना आपने वर्ड अभी एक? बेटा आपने अभी ओवरकम वर्ड को यूज किया ना?
यस सर.
क्या मतलब है बेटा इसका? ओके, आगे बढ़ो, आगे बोलो, आगे बढ़ो बेटा, बोलो.
सर वो ओवरकम मीन्स मतलब काबू पाना किसी
बेटा इतनी देर लगती है क्या बताने में आपको? आगे बोलो, आप आगे बोलो, बोलो. हाँ बेटा, जो चीज अपन बोल रहे हैं उसका मीनिंग बोलने में तो अपने को एक सेकंड नहीं लगना चाहिए. हाँ बोलो, बोलो बोलो.
in every life.
हाँ.
The government is making efforts to increase education among people of every category.
मेकिंग एफर्ट्स का मतलब क्या हुआ बेटा? मेकिंग एफर्ट्स का मतलब क्या हुआ?
सर मतलब अब कुछ वो एफर्ट्स कर डालते हैं ना, मतलब
मेकिंग एफर्ट्स का जो आपने जो गवर्नमेंट इज मेकिंग एफर्ट्स का मतलब क्या हुआ? ओके, आगे बोलो आप, बोलो बेटा।
Many government
हाँ
schools many government schools are set up in different cities so that everyone can acquire knowledge and success in life. That's it.
ओके,
Good, good evening, everyone. Today my topic education.
हाँ
We get education from school and college.
हाँ
Education help to learn new things and develop creativity.
हाँ
Education is important for development of the country.
हाँ
Education is very necessary for all to be successful, to become better person. Our knowledge develop confidence and helps to discover of skills.
डिस्कवर ऑफ स्किल्स का मतलब?
सर किसी वो
स्किल्स का मतलब क्या है?
दिमाग।
और डिस्कवर का मतलब?
खोजना।
और स्किल्स का मतलब क्या कहना चाहते हो सेंटेंस में? आप समझाओगे जरा एक बार? ओके, आगे बोलो बेटा, आगे बढ़ो, आगे बढ़ो बेटा, बोलो।
The education is divided into 3 types. First is primary education.
बेटा अपने टॉपिक पे आओ, आप टॉपिक पे आओ आप कि आप कैसी एजुकेशन चाहते हो स्कूल में, क्या क्या होना चाहिए, कैसे कैसे होना चाहिए। टॉपिक पे आओ बेटा, ये तो मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ आज कि टॉपिक को पकड़ो आप। आज का टेस्ट ही समझ नहीं पाए आप लोग। बोलो बोलो, आप बोलो, खैर अब तो कोई बात नहीं, बोलो।
सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन।
हाँ।
हायर एजुकेशन।
हायर एजुकेशन।
सॉरी, हायर एजुकेशन।
हाँ।
प्रोवाइड अस So that's it, sir.
ओके, बोलो, चालू करो।
Hello friends, my name is Salman Khan. I read in 12th Arts. I am the student of online interactive classes. Today I am speaking on the topic importance of education.
अरे नहीं यार, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ एजुकेशन नहीं है। बोलो, आप बोलो।
What is the
education? आप बोलो, आप बोलो। नहीं है, टॉपिक ही नहीं है वो, आपने टाइटल ही गलत कर दिया। बोलो, आप बोलो, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो आज।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Education is very necessary for all to get success in every field. It makes us successfully man, and in the school we get education from the schools and colleges, but in the present time the schools do not give right education. They only teach books and they give सर ऊपरी ज्ञान को क्या बोलते हैं?
आउटवर्डली नॉलेज, सुपरफिशियल नॉलेज। हाँ,
they give only superficial knowledge.
हाँ।
schools schools we we all want to get right education from schools and colleges. We schools should give right education to us. That
हाँ, तो क्या चाहते हो उस राइट
that
एजुकेशन
only
में आप?
only
हाँ,
yes sir,
ये तो
yes sir,
बताओ ना आप। हाँ
ये बता रहा हूँ सर।
हाँ
that they give us they give sir,
गिव या शुड गिव?
should give
इतना क्यों घबरा रहे हो आप थॉट्स को पकड़ के नहीं रख सकते हो क्या? आपका दिमाग घूम रहा है चार तरफ 10 तरफ।
yes sir,
जब तक आप पकड़ के नहीं रखोगे, उस ट्रैक पे नहीं आओगे जहां से वो थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, जब तक कैसे कर पाओगे आप? पकड़ के तो रखोगे ना दिमाग पे आप। उस कंसंट्रेशन का मतलब क्या होता है?
yes sir,
एक्टिव रखना पड़ेगा ना माइंड को। अपने पास माइंड है,
yes sir,
हाँ, सोचना भी है और बोलना भी है, फ्रेम भी करना है सेंटेंस और बोलना भी है, थॉट्स भी आना चाहिए,
yes
सब
sir,
कुछ होना चाहिए। आदमी को भगवान ने दिमाग दिया है जिसको हम 1% भी यूज नहीं करते पूरी लाइफ में। यूज करो ना उसको थोड़ा सा।
yes
बोलो
sir.
बोलो।
They should give right education because of which our knowledge develop and we should, because of education we fight, we can fight our every condition,
अरे तो
every
क्या करें
condition and
ऐसा?
problem.
क्या दें आपको ऐसा?
And
ये तो बताओ ना।
yes
आप
sir,
क्या नॉलेज बढ़ाने के लिए क्या दें हम आपको? आपको क्या क्या दें वहां पर? आप ये बताओ ना। फाइट तो कर लोगे आप, पर पहले ट्रेंड कैसे करें
yes
आपको
sir.
हम? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन
School
दैट यू आर नॉट ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड यार।
that
नॉलेज
that
कैसे बढ़ेगी? वहां लाइब्रेरीज,
teacher
देयर मस्ट बी लाइब्रेरीज, सो दैट आफ्टर रीडिंग
yes
दोज
sir,
बुक्स ऑफ द लाइब्रेरी यू कैन एनहेंस योर नॉलेज। तो आप
yes
क्यों नहीं इतना सोच पा रहे हो और कर पा रहे हो? वहीं घूम रहे हो बस। हाँ,
yes
वो आप भी ऊपरी सतह पर ही घूम रहे हो ना बेटा, अंदर क्यों नहीं घुस रहे हो
yes
आप
sir,
उसमें? यस, दिस इज, मैं यही तो कह रहा हूँ आपसे।
yes sir,
नहीं हो पा रहा।
yes sir. सर बोला नहीं यार।
कोई बात नहीं, ओके।